it's Rubel! Today, I found some super cute Chiikawa goodies at a Japanese 100 yen shop called Can Do, and I just had to show them to you all. Do you know Chiikawa? It's a character created by Japanese illustrator Nagano, and the name is short for something small and cute in Japanese. It kinda looks like a little hamster, but it's not actually based on any real animal. Chiikawa originally started as a comic on Twitter, created by Nagano-sensei. It first appeared in 2020, and now it's become a full-blown TV anime. These days, it's not just big in Japan, it's gaining tons of fans overseas too. Even though Chiikawa looks super sweet and tiny, the characters actually work hard and face real struggles, and that's why so many grown-ups find it surprisingly relatable. So today, I'll be unboxing 9 different Chiikawa items, each one only 110 yen, or about $1. This time, I've got 9 items to show you, and they're all rare Chiikawa goods that you can only find in Japan. Alright, let's open them up one by one. Unboxing Chiikawa goodies. One by one, get ready for the cuteness. 1. Acrylic keychain. First up, the acrylic keychain. There are 12 different designs in total, and they come in blind packs, so you don't know which one you'll get until you open it. Let's see which one I got. Ta-da! Look at that adorable Chiikawa face. So cute! It's made of clear acrylic and really stands out when you hang it on your bag or backpack. Honestly, something like this would probably cost over $5 in the US. 2. Interior figure. Next is this little interior figure. Can you believe how detailed it is for something this small? Just placing it on a shelf or next to your PC instantly adds a little moment of peace. Honestly, I kinda wanna collect 3, or maybe all of them. 3. Stamp collection. Now for the stamp. There are 18 different designs, and yep, this one's also a blind pack. Let's open it. Oh, I got a smiling Chiikawa. It's small but super useful, and the ink shows up really well. I bet if you secretly stamp this on your kids' homework, they'd be so happy. 4. Chiyogami. This is a very Japanese kind of item. Chiyogami, or origami paper. It's got Chiikawa designs printed right on it, so even a simple paper crane looks extra cute. It'd make a great little gift for friends overseas, too. 5. Flushable tissue. Now, this one feels very Japanese. Flushable tissue. It's great for emergencies, camping, or just everyday use. And of course, it's got a cute Chiikawa design to make things a little more fun. 6. Mini memo pad. Next up, this adorable mini memo pad. It's palm-sized, so it's super easy to carry around. And guess what? The cover and every page inside features a different Chiikawa character. It seriously makes jotting down little notes way more fun. 7. Mini ring notebook. Now here's a mini ring notebook. The spiral binding makes it easy to flip, and it can even stand up on its own when open. You could totally keep it in the kitchen and use it as a recipe memo. So handy and so cute. 8. Acrylic stickers. These acrylic stickers are gorgeous. They're see-through, so when you stick them on your phone case or a window, the light shines right through them. And the best part? They're easy to peel off, so you can try them out in different places without worrying. 9. Sticker collection. And finally, we've got the sticker collection. There are a whopping 50 designs in total. It's a blind pack, so you don't know what you'll get until you open it. Let's see. Ooh, look at this one. So many expressive little characters packed into one sheet. Perfect for decorating planners or as reward stickers for kids. Honestly, even grown-ups will want to use these. They're just that cute. So, what did you think? Can you believe I got all of that cuteness and quality for just $10? Japanese 100 yen shops really are amazing. Chiikawa is actually becoming super popular, not just in Japan, but all across Asia and even here in the US too. In fact, there was a record of millions of items sold in just a few hours overseas. And ever since Chiikawa appeared in Ariana Grande's music video, the fan base has exploded internationally. It's not just cute, it's relatable. Chiikawa works hard, faces challenges, and that's why so many grown-ups connect with it too. In the middle of our busy lives, a little bit of comfort like this really makes a difference. So if you ever visit Japan, make sure to stop by a 100 yen shop. You might just find your own Chiikawa treasure. Here on the Earst Japan channel, we share lots of tips and fun finds to make your trip to Japan even better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next